everybody, Custom Mike's here. We are in for a treat today. We are at COE Heaven in an area north of Bakersfield that's going to stay undisclosed. And if something for sale, I'll have the guy that owns the place make a comment, but this is his private collection, so to say. And we're here with the motorhome. He's got a few cool rides. That is his son's Camaro, his 65 SS. But like I said COE Heaven. And oh my God. You know, you think seeing 6 of them sitting here boggles your mind, but this really is nothing to speak of. This one right here is his first one he did that started this nightmare. Hello Arizona, hello Norm. This one's got an LS in it and airbag and all the other happy stuff. But this is just his yard sitting, waiting for the next project to come along and decide what he's going to do. I think this one has an LS in it too. Yeah, got a little rat thing going on. But, you know, he's just COE crazy. So, but that's just what he's collected out here. So we're going to sneak in the back. And he's got a really cool place too, by the way. It's just a dream to be able to even be invited and coming in to see the rest of this. And it's like, oh my lordy lord. I mean, even just the stuff that he collects, the gas pumps and the other stuff. We'll talk about the bus a little bit later. So, but yeah, you got anything, doors, grills, COE after COE after COE after. I was going to count them, but I think I'll leave it alone because it's just, oh wow, I missed the coupe over here too. Yeah, there's old iron. He's been collecting for a long time. He's been there about 13 years, I think. And spare fenders, other stuff. And but I'm just and he's doing this by himself. Him and his son helps him out every now and then. You know, family operation. An old international body right there. I love the Blazers too. But yeah, there's an eclectic collection of stuff, and I know apparently people are going to ask stuff for sale, and I'm sure there's stuff. I'll have Sergio make me a list or comment in the comments to let us know what is actually for sale, if any. You can also just put a comment in there and say you want to learn more about it, and I can have him contact you too. He puts LS in most of his stuff, and does a really nice clean job. Look at this thing. He's got a little bit of everything. That's his the son's one of the 69 Mustang, so that's what he got. And another coupe. Look at this, a 59. GMC, another coupe. This is probably a Ford. That's a Pontiac, I think, or maybe it's an Olds. Let me see. Go around, take a look here. Oh, a Mini Cooper pickup truck. Very cool. Let's see. Oh, it is an Oldsmobile. Yeah, Oldsmobile coupe. Wow. Oh, it's got a VW platform right there. Tons of fenders. Tons of VW stuff. He's got a lot of Subarus too. A lot of cool Subarus. A lot of old stuff. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That's what he's building for his son, or his son's helping to build it too. Wow. It is such a privilege to be here. Check out the sign he's got there too. Mobile gas. And you know, everywhere you look, there's COE stuff, or trannies, or tires, or suspensions, or whatever you need to make a completely awesome We're not going to tell you where it is, Rodney. I'm sorry. This is an undisclosed location in the Central Valley area. It's just another enthusiast like us. But I wanted to take you for a little tour of the place so you can appreciate all the cool stuff that he's collected over the years. A lot of pumps, which is really cool. Stoplights, engines, transmissions. And in here, there's just a few things we can see, but he's got some cool tools too. So we can look at this thing right here. But what I love about his place is he's got, like, I had a Model A hanging on the wall like this one. And this has been a few of his pictures, and he just gave me some memories about what's going on, you know. And but this shop is really cool. Just a little farm setup, you know. So I can't show you what's on the lift over there, but I can show you his other son's El Camino, and this one's sitting over here, and it's getting some motivation too. And you can kind of see what kind of work he does. You know, he's in the middle of putting together a high-powered unit right here. Let's see, we can't show that one, so let me back out of there. And then we'll go quickly around here. We're going to sneak out back. Sorry about that. There's some stuff I can't show. We'll have to respect that. I got another Cushman right there. A pickup truck Cushman. And then I guess this is the first year Honda Civic. And then we have another Subaru 360. We got old Ford pickups. And another one of those, what is it, like a Divco van. That'd make a great little project. He's got a lot of ideas, a lot of cool stuff. It's like a little delivery truck type of deal. And then plans for a couch. Is that a 60 maybe, or a 59? Can't tell for sure. Let me step in here. Yeah, it's a 59. Gonna make a couch out of it someday. Bunch of cool signs and another body hanging around. Look at this thing. I don't know what you call these things, but it's kind of Cushman-ish like too. That would be great with a golf cart base or something with some battery driven for Pomona. Hello, Poland. Yeah, you're right. Baja Big. They got a cool little aluminum trailer. Obviously another project, but you can't find them like this. He's got a ton of parts too. A ton of parts. Pickup. What's that? 39-ish Chevy. Another one. That's a. I think that's a Crossley. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a Crossley. They could Rhino line this one. Make the paint good. It'll stand up to anything. These old Dodges are an acquired taste, I guess. Yeah, that thing is a Crossley. Some of my friends know Crossleys real well. And they got parts for the COEs everywhere. Fenders, inner parts, inner fenders, chrome trim. Yeah, he's been collecting a lot of cool stuff. Actually, what is this, a slider sunroof? That'd be cool for something. And another little Subaru van. Just the front of a project we can't show you. Another one. These are another Dodge, I think. Wow. Got all the old engines sitting around. Another Subaru. This one's a pickup. And this thing, this is, if Mandy or Duncan is on, maybe they know what this is. Anybody? This thing's pretty cool. It's an English car that was imported to Canada, I guess. And in England they call it a Bedford, I think. And when I took him to Canada, they called him an envoy. But most of the stuff he has to, he's got him running and driving. So he told me this one's running and driving too. An old Bedford. These doors slide too, which is really cool. You know, both sides, they just slide back and forth. Almost nothing to them, you know. But you can load a ton of stuff in them, you know. A lot of room. And then, you know, a little 4-cylinder that are motivating it. And here we go, another Subaru and another stack of pick 'em up trucks. You never know when you need a door or this, that, and the other, you know. But it's just so much stuff here. You know, I thought I was going to see 2 or 3 of them, and then you know, walk in the door and it's like, oh my God, this is incredible, you know. So everywhere you look, there's something that has potential. Even this thing is like, you know, the fender's a little rough, it's got a little bit of rot, but you know, you look at it, it's like the potential is huge. We got a little puppy right here wanting a little attention. Anyhow, I just wanted to give you a walkthrough of this place because it's just boggled my mind, you know. I'm gonna take Sergio for lunch and explore a little bit more, but I figured I'd better share with you some of the cool here. This is his own. He's working on, and hopefully we'll see it in Pomona one of these days. But Cummins powered, and you know, build a cool little gas station, deals it up. But yeah, this one's all done up right, so to say, for its own stuff with a Dodge Cummins set up in it, and he just got it painted. It looks so beautiful. That's a good combination color too. I wouldn't mind having it. The worst thing for me is just the space. There's not enough space in them for me to be comfortable. But that's when you do what he started doing on his school bus. You take an old rotten cab, and this is what we were thinking about doing too. I have a 55 GMC that me and Scotto and Johnny picked up in Napa area, and they just took the cab and you know, you take the roof off and you widen out the doors and you split it up a little bit and you add the section in between, and you're making something new out of it on a later model chassis, and you can make yourself a really cool school bus or a cool bus, so to say. You know, and he was talking about, oh, I gotta tell you this too. He's talking about one of my ideas he had was to take the doors and door functionality and carry that door frame and the roll-up doors into the side windows. I thought that was a really cool idea. And that way he can carry that signature line all the way through to the back. What a great idea. Huh? And Sergio's on watching too. He didn't want to be on, and I understand that part too, but he was willing to let me share the joy, so to say. And I know this was a stop that you rarely get to see, especially this many COEs in one spot. It's just amazing to me. So anyhow, hopefully you like it. If you have any questions, stuff, I'll ask Sergio to answer anything in the comments. If anybody was interested in something, but we'll go from there. Thanks you guys for hanging the custom mics. Love you. See ya.